Imagine this. Two people fall in love. They laugh together, dream together, plan the perfect wedding. Family and friends celebrate. Everything looks perfect. Now here's the strange part. Nobody asks them the most important question. Not the pastor, not their parents, not even themselves. Because everyone is focused on one question. Did you find the right person? But what if that's the second question? What if there's another question that has to be answered first? One question that quietly determines whether a marriage becomes a source of joy or years of frustration. Don't just watch, grow. Subscribe for a new life lesson every week. Here's the question. Who are you? Not your job. Not your relationship status. Not what other people expect from you. Who are you when nobody is watching? What do you believe? What do you value? What kind of person are you becoming? Because here's a truth that surprises many people. Marriage doesn't create your identity. It exposes it. Think of marriage like turning up the volume on a speaker. It doesn't create new music. It simply makes whatever is already playing impossible to ignore. If insecurity is playing, marriage turns it up. If selfishness is playing, marriage turns it up. If kindness, patience, integrity are already there, marriage turns those up too. Marriage doesn't change the song. It amplifies it. This is where so many relationships quietly begin to break. Without realizing it, we hand our spouse an impossible assignment. Make me feel worthy. Give my life meaning. Heal every wound I've carried. Make me happy. Those aren't requests, they're burdens. Imagine asking one person to become your confidence, your peace, your identity, your purpose. Eventually, they become exhausted. Not because they stopped loving you, but because they were trying to do a job no human being can do. Love was never designed to replace identity. Don't just watch, grow. Subscribe for a new life lesson every week. Now picture a different couple. Each has done the hard work of becoming. They know what they stand for. They know what matters most. They've learned to take responsibility for their own healing, their own growth, their own purpose. So when they marry, neither says, "You complete me." Instead, they say, "Let's build something meaningful together." That's the difference. One marriage is built on dependence. The other is built on partnership. One asks, "What can you give me?" The other asks, "What can we build together?" Before you build a marriage, build yourself. Not because you'll ever become perfect, but because your future spouse deserves someone who knows who they are. Someone whose identity isn't waiting to be borrowed. So before you spend years searching for the right person, spend time becoming the right person. Because here's the truth almost nobody tells you. The greatest threat to your future marriage isn't marrying the wrong person. It's entering marriage without knowing who you are. And the strongest marriages don't begin at the altar. They begin long before that, with one person choosing to discover their identity before sharing their life with someone else. Don't just watch, grow. Subscribe for a new life lesson every week.